Hi, my name is Valise Smith, founder and CEO of Tried and True Financial Services. I am an enrolled agent with over 25 years of experience in the financial services industry. For 2023, we're helping 100 service-based small business owners take control of their business finances. Small businesses are the heartbeat of our American society. Yet 50% fail within 5 years, and it's often due to poor cash flow management or lack of funding. You're constantly filing your taxes late or not at all. You're commingling your personal and your business expenses. You're paying high interest amounts or overdraft fees. And at the end of it all, you're missing out. You're missing out on getting your finances in order so that you can get access to the capital that you need to grow your business. Listen, I get it. I understand. As a small business owner myself, I had to bootstrap the growth of Tried and True Financial Services. I used my corporate career to invest the growth of Tried and True Financial Services. Having worked in the financial services industry for several decades, spending the last decade of my corporate career working for a financial services company, managing and reconciling their book of business in excess of $1 billion, I understand and know how the numbers work. And then, having spent the last 8 years working with small business owners directly through Tried and True Financial Services, I've seen it all. I know what you're going through, so I have a heart to help, and I'm here, and I have the knowledge and the skill set to be able to take some of the burden off to give you the information that you need to manage your finances a lot better than what you're doing today. Doing your own bookkeeping is easier than you think. And I know you can do it. Once you obtain the skill set to do your own books, the way you do business will never be the same. Listen, I know the need for this program is great. Having been a participant of the 1 Million Black Women, Black in Business program with Goldman Sachs, participant in the Ask an Expert program with TechTown, and a financial professional with the Michigan Community Resource Bookkeeper program in collaboration with Osborne Business Association and SCORE. I've seen the need for small business owners getting help bringing their finances together, but I've also seen the sigh of relief when I can sit down with them and show them just how easy it is to track their income and expenses. If you're looking to attain a lifelong skill set and sharpen your business acumen, join the first ever cohort of the DIY Bookkeeping Live Bootcamp. I am so excited to launch this program and have the opportunity to walk alongside you and empower you to take control of your business finances. This will change the way you do business, finally add some structure to the financial side of your business, and allow you to breathe and really focus on what you love doing.